26.
Sly Joe and the Smooth Operators are playing behind me right now. They'll be playing until 9 o'clock this evening. We've got pretty good weather on the way for the rest of the evening for most of the area, but that's going to change tomorrow. I'll have your forecast coming up. And
now your weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
it's just a beautiful summer evening here in De Pere to listen to live music, have a drink, enjoy some food, and introduce a brand new employee here at NBC 26. He's been on for a little while, but we're formally introducing him tonight, Chris Lemo. Welcome to NBC 26, Chris.
Thank you, good to be here.
All right, you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, so I'm a recent graduate of Penn State. All grew up on the East Coast, so the summers along the water like we have here in De Pere and the lakes in the area, awesome, loving it so far.
So we're in De Pere tonight because we are kicking off neighborhoods here on NBC 26. Tell us a little bit about neighborhoods.
Yeah, so the neighborhood strategy really here is so that we can kind of get embedded in the communities. So there's a lot of different stories that might not be reached because there's a focus on Green Bay, Appleton, but now we can really focus on communities like De Pere.
So you're a journalist, and we're going to have journalists all over Northeast Wisconsin, and you are going to be right here.
Right here in De Pere.
That's why we're here tonight, in De Pere. And we obviously know there's a difference between East De Pere and De Pere. I'm not going to make you choose between the Phantoms and the Redbirds, okay? I won't make you do that. All right, thanks, Chris. Welcome aboard. All right, a nice, warm, hot day here in Northeast Wisconsin. Take a look at the temperatures. We got up into the upper 80s and lower 90s. Officially 90 degrees in Green Bay. Tomorrow, even a little bit hotter, probably lower to mid-90s. That's ahead of a cold front. Behind the cold front, we are going to cool down as we head into next week. And speaking of cooling down, everybody has dropped out of the 90s now. We've had a deck of clouds move in, and we're looking at mid to upper 80s. You can see the clouds there on our live Green Bay tower cam. 87 degrees. The winds have also subsided a bit. They were quite gusty earlier this afternoon. In Appleton, mostly cloudy, 86, and the dew point is in the 60s, so it is a little sticky out there. The radar really not showing too much right now, but that could change as we head deeper into the evening hours. The high-res future radar shows some showers and thunderstorms popping up, especially from around Green Bay south, and the best chance for that is going to be later on this evening into tonight. As this cloud deck works farther to the south, it will start to develop enough oomph that we could get some showers and thunderstorms. In fact, there is a marginal risk for severe weather from the Fox cities south and west tonight, and that means if the storms can get going, a few of them could produce some gusty winds and also the potential for some hail. Little weak trough of low pressure moving through this evening. More importantly, we've got a system now moving through eastern Montana, and that system is going to move through tomorrow, and that's when we're looking at the threat for potentially some significant severe weather across the state of Wisconsin. East of that system today, lots of 90s, 90 Green Bay, 93 Minneapolis, 95 in Des Moines, so it's more of the same as we head into tomorrow. We've now had 2 days this month with highs in the 90s, including today, and tomorrow will be day number 3. I'm thinking most of us will see highs up into the lower 90s. And when you factor in the humidity, you're going to get heat index values that'll get up into the mid and upper 90s. Now, tomorrow's a big day, especially Lambeau Field. We have a European football match, otherwise known as soccer, taking place in the evening. Temperatures will start out in the 90s, but then drop into the 70s once an area of thunderstorms moves through. The big question remains, when will those thunderstorms arrive? Before, during, or after the game? It looks like it'll be mostly sunny throughout the morning and for the afternoon, but as we head into the late afternoon, evening, and later, we're going to have clusters of thunderstorms moving across northeast Wisconsin, as you can see there on Skycast, and those thunderstorms could be severe. We now have an enhanced risk for severe weather across much of the viewing area for tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, which means all types of severe weather would be possible. The main threats appear to be damaging winds, but a tornado and some hail cannot be ruled out. We could also be looking at training thunderstorms, storms developing in the same spot, and they move over the same location time and time again. That could lead to some hefty rainfall totals and potentially some flooding, and the number one rule of flooding is turn around, don't drown. So tonight, a chance for a thunderstorm, lows in the upper 60s. Tomorrow, hot and humid, and then thunderstorms developing. Highs will be in the lower 90s. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 91. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Lucky 7 Dog Rescue, and we did that today. I forecast 90. The actual high temperature was 90 degrees. 83 on Sunday, maybe a morning storm, then clearing out, and then quiet weather for the most part as we head through next week. Highs mainly in the lower 80s.
Gas prices have come down a bit. According to AAA, the statewide average is $4.13 right now, but in parts of northeast Wisconsin, it's cheaper than that. In Howard, gas was on sale for $3.76 a gallon. People in rural parts of the country